we are on our way to an abandoned factory. Catherine is in the car in front of me, and the magnet fisherman. So it's gonna be cool. I don't know what's inside. I know the factory is very old. I think it's from the 1800s. So yeah, and it's abandoned, and we have the code to the lock that's on the gate. So it's going to be very exciting. We're going to film the entry of the factory when we are closing. So stay tuned. So I think we are close by now. I have no idea where this factory is. But it's kind of nice now, you guys can see when we drive to places. And yeah, sorry for all the noise in the car. I've never been here before. So we are entering the factory now. Oh Jesus!
I have no idea what we can find here, but yeah. Careful. Oh, look at the floor. Sounds fake though.
Ooh. Oh, electricity. Oh, shit.
I just remembered I do have a light with me.
What? open.
Another one.
What?
These.
Oh.
The universal key.
But there's more buildings than this one.
Yeah, this is only the one of them.
This is the main.
I don't even know if this is the main one. This is just the first building we came to.
Ooh.
How far is this?
The haunted passage. It's kind of cozy, yeah. Oh, the floor. What's in here? Creepy. Oh, the smell, it smells so old. What's that?
I don't know.
Looks like a
Yeah, maybe a
old
camera
video
thingy.
camera thingy.
Nice.
You have these things as well. So. Oh, an old photo. Oh, it's not used. Never mind. A handle to something?
Camera handle.
Maybe? I don't know when they shut down this building, so most of these things are super old.
Yeah. Is there any date on it?
No, but it is in English for some apparent reason. Should be like when it was made, at least, in some of the first pages. 1971.
1971.
Yes. Old stuff. This flooring, though.
Yeah, I know. Ooh. What is this? Cutting edge. There's a lot of old stuff in here.
This is like my kind of bag.
Yeah.
Junk pieces. straight outside from these like old windows.
Is it 25? The date.
What? It says 25.
It says 25.
1925? Can't be for next year. From the document, I would say 1925. This is all written like with the old typewriter things, like the clickies.
Really old. Is it in German?
It's in German.
And this is Swedish.
Yeah, this is Swedish.
This is Swedish.
But it said like German words as well. Let me go on the other side.
Oh, the blueprints.
This is blueprint in German?
I think so. Huh. This is German. See, this is nice.
Cool. All like written on a typewriter.
Yeah. Nice.
Look at the you can see how old this is because it has nails just randomly going through it. Ski box.
Sport box.
Like an elevator motor or something. Did you find anything cool?
Not much.
I like this.
What's that?
This is a filter for like a gas mask or something.
A very old gas mask. It would be cool if we found an old gas mask though.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
But look at all the documents there from the old days.
Yeah, and it's just like thrown here. So sad. I feel like I can hear a car. Maybe it's stuck.
Go down.
Yes. You come in.
Found money, a safe.
To try to open it.
Two old.
Machine drawings. They haven't been able to open it.
They have tried.
Yeah. Many ways.
Yeah.
Jesus. Some miserably failed. Is it so old that it's rusted shut maybe?
Yeah, I think so. What was inside?
I would guess old machine drawings. Maybe a body or two?
No. Fuck no. They tried from this side as well. Yeah.
And from the up as well. Huh. Well, nobody's getting too nice to the old machine drawings.
I want to get in.
He wants to get the old machine drawings.
They're just tricking you. It's money. Gold.
Diamonds. Oh, this just goes like
outside.
outside. Wasn't really that.
Should we try another building?
I think so.